What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Polygon, guys. I believe within the last week, we've had at least 6 or 7 successful trades. So we've just been absolutely crushing it trading Matic. So we're sitting at 211. We're sitting at a market cap of 14.58 billion, 24-hour volume, 3.59 billion. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards. Let me pop it open here. Cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So let's jump into Matic, guys. So our most recent trade was down here at 170, and our take profit zone was up here at 196 as well as 214. So we came up to 196. So what I did here is I was taking profits. I took some here. I took profits up here as well. And then when we rolled over, you see how we rolled over? You see this red candle? I took the rest of my profits and I re-entered at 196. I had talked about that take profit zone now turning into a buy zone. And we bounced right off 196 up to our next take profit zone. And I took profits again. So that was another 9% trade. And we came right back down to our buy zone. I entered once again. And now I'm back in profits here. And whoever else is using this strategy is back in profits. About 5%. So within this pump, we've made like 3 trades on our way. Well, we made 1, 2. Yeah, so we're in our 3rd trade right now. It's funny, I had a commenter a couple of days ago and he's like, I can't wait until Matic starts pumping so all you nickel and dime traders can be left behind. Well, Ebenezer Scrooge, we just had a delicious pump and we're on our way to making our 3rd, possibly 3rd successful trade. So I think the only thing that was left behind was your intelligence. So just head back to the abyss from which you came. All right, guys. So we currently got re-entered at 196. One of our take profit zones at 214. Now I didn't add any further take profit zones. I should have done that yesterday. So what I'm going to do here is go to our previous swing high, down to our swing low. And you can see we came right up to the 1.414. So your next take profit zone is going to be the 1.618, which is your target from this small impulsive wave, which is up here at 233. So I'll drop in a line for you guys and we'll put a little TP zone. TP zone. Just in this consolidation, within this consolidation and this little pump here, I think we've made at least 6 trades. So we've been very, very successful in this last week trading Matic. So we have our take profit zone here at 214, and then we have 237, or sorry guys, 233 will be our next take profit zone. We break our previous high here at 226. I'm just going to take this out. So we're looking really strong, guys. We are trending a little bit into overbought. And if we look here on the 1 hour time frame, we have a small bearish divergence. We created a high and we created a higher high. We created a slight, excuse me guys, we created a slightly lower high on the RSI and we saw a little bit of retracement. We got above the 0.786 and we're back testing it as support. We held the 55 here on the hourly time frame. So let's hop over into the daily time frame. So we've been beautifully bouncing off this trend line of support. We're back above the EMAs and currently we are back above the 0.786. These fibs are a little bit different just due to the exchanges here. But if we can come up and we can hold 206 as support, that's when we're going to start heading up. We have our technical target from this bull flag at 256. This could be a bull flag as well, but I think the target will probably bring us pretty close to the previous all-time high at 281. So let's look at Ethereum quickly, guys. So we're here on the 4 hour chart. We broke out of our double bottom and we've rolled over and we've come back and now we're holding the neckline. We came back to the neckline as support. You can see we absolutely blasted through it. So it's healthy for us to have a retest. We're holding the 20 EMA here on the 4 hour chart. Now, if we were to roll a little bit more, guys, we do have this level of support. I'll drop in just in case. Coming in at about 4187 for ETH. But if we look at Ethereum here on the daily, we're still holding this trend line. We're back above this previous high, which was a major level of resistance. So if we hold that as support, guys, we hold the EMAs here. We break this high. We're looking healthy for continuation. It's not until we lose 4416, if we were to break this trend line, that we would target lower price targets. But we just had the bullish cross, as we've been mentioning, on the MACD for ETH here. just pop it open quickly. Just had the bullish cross. All right, guys, I don't want to get too redundant, just for my returning subscribers. So we'll finish off the video here with Matic. You can see we've had the bullish cross of the MACD on the daily, which is a healthy sign of a pump and of continuation. So we're holding the 0.786. We hold it as support. We head up to 270, previous all-time high, and the 1.212 coming in. Sorry, guys, the 1.272 coming in at 405. We have our bull run targets, the 1.618, 677, the dream price at 1181, and the 2.272 at 1767. But as of right now, our bull run target is here at 677 for Matic. So if you guys are using this strategy, you just made another trade from 196 up to 214. I'll throw my profits on the screen just to show you guys I'm here, I'm trading with you. And we got re-entered here at 196. So if we bounce back up to 241, that's another 9% trade. And if you just close 50%, you don't always have to close your whole position here. Our next take profit zone is 233. Maybe I should drop in one more take profit zone. Let me open up the daily. Let me quickly close this. Let me open this up. So there's not a lot of resistance in this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fib here, and we're going to go from this swing high down to swing low. So our next take profit zone I would use here is the 1.272, which is coming in at 261. I'm going to drop in a line here because all traders are using these fib levels, right? So they all tend to sell, take profits at similar times. So 261, which is very close to the previous all-time high. I can actually move this up. Oh, sorry guys. It looks like my Fibonacci might have got pulled off a little bit here. Swing high, swing low. Okay, that looks good. Just try to remember, guys, that the candles are a bit different. This is Matic USD Binance, but it's calculated by TradingView. So the fib levels might look a little bit different here. You can see we're a little bit under the 0.786. And if you look here, yeah, it's pretty similar, guys. So your next take profit zones for our DCA strategy are 214, 237, 261. Previous all-time high coming in at about 286. Yeah, if I look at this chart here, yeah, it's pretty similar. 281, previous all-time high, 270. What? So I might have to stop using this chart here. This exchange is Polo next. It doesn't look as accurate as the other one, so I might change that up in the next video. My apologies, guys. So that's basically it for Matic. If we were to roll over here, let me pop it back open to the 4-hour time frame. We have re-entered at 196, and then our next buy zone 182, 170, 150, 132. So what you do if you're spot trading equal amounts at each buy zone, you set your buy limits so you don't have to watch it, you just let it play out. And if you're using leverage, low leverage, like I'm using 2 to 3x leverage, you have to double your margin. If you enter with 100, the next one is 100, you have 200 in your trade, so the next buy limit is 200, you have 400, the next one is 400, and so on and so forth. Quick shout out to the Discord, guys. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee, guys, and you can sign up through the Patreon. I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care.